All right, so this is the Jura EN4 coffee machine. It makes coffee, it makes espresso, quickly grinds the beans, and then just makes your perfect cup of coffee. A little tad expensive. You're looking at about $1,000 to purchase one of these bad boys. But if you really like coffee, it's definitely worth it. So here we are, all the accessories. That's the instruction book, and it might be a good idea to read that. All right, so there is the cord, and it's just like any other cord for a 110 machine. It's 3 prongs, so it's grounded, and this is a spoon that you're going to scoop up your beans and put them in the machine. Let's slide that over there and get it out of the way. And then we're going to have to probably pull all this stuff out of there before we pull the top off the box. See, it won't come out, so I don't want to spill everything everywhere. So let's go ahead and grab everything. We'll put the filter down there. We'll put the filter holder down there. We'll put the ground coffee dispenser there and the spoon down. And the cleaning tablets. We'll just set them right there and pull this right out of there. Bam, done. Now we can expose the machine itself. And there she be. Let's pull this out of the way so we can see it. And I think I'm going to have to change the camera angle because I'm going to need both hands to pull this thing out of the box. All right, so anyway, this thing was a little tough getting out of the box. It was pretty heavy, to tell you the truth. I couldn't really get a good grab on it. I took the 2 tops off of there, and then I got under it. Finally, I got it out of the box, but it took a while. I gotta tell you, it's heavy. All right, let's take a look at it. Check it out. Look at that. This comes off, of course. You see, like that. But this is it right here, right out of the box. Well, it looks like I've got some learning to do. This thing's a little more complicated than a Mr. Coffee. Check out my other videos and I'll show you how to use this thing.